Hello Vals and future pals, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to choose your makeup color for your eye color. And I'm gonna do that today with the help of JUST4KIRA lenses. Hello. And no, I got, can I juggle? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of contacts with me today. Now this is my natural eye color and I did brown makeup to accentuate that. So what I've got here is a little color wheel. I just got my lip gloss on that. But I'm currently taking a makeup artistry course and we go over color theory. And basically what you want to do is pop your eyes by using your eye color's complementary color. And mine, this is the complementary color side. If we go to blue, the direct complementary color is gonna be a mix of like browns, golds. That's what's gonna make your eyes pop. Okay, I have this blue contact in, and this is still my natural eye color. So since this is still blue, you still want to do the browns. I just wanted to show how this really pops. And this is JUST4KIRA soft contact lenses. Let's see. I think this is one of their new ones, actually. This is the snowy blue, and I'm blind as, so I got -6.5, and also these are the big boys. It's a diameter of 14.5. I love anything that's like enlarging. Like, now I have a high contrast face because basically I have like really light eyes, light skin, but I have really dark hair. And so this really helps my bring my eyes out if I also do like a more high contrast makeup. What do you think? Natural or this one? Let me go put the other one in. So this is both of them. This reminds me of those, like, everyone's been posting the like kind of like Eskimo makeup with the big fuzzy hats. Now that would be a vibe with these. Now I'm gonna put in one brown contact and show you the difference. Like, my eyes are popping right now and the brown is about to blend in. This brown is so brown. This diameter is 14.2, so this is 0.3 smaller than this side. So as you can see, this pupil is a bit larger. Not like too big of a difference. I personally like diameters between 14.2 and 14.5. I like the enlarging effect on my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take off this brown makeup on this side and I'm gonna use its complementary color of blue to kind of make the brown pop. I'm gonna go in with this tiny palette, Go-Go Tails. You've seen it in a previous vlog, but I'm gonna really make my eye blue. Now sparkles tend to not look so good on camera. We learned this in like our makeup course, but I just like wearing a sparkle like every day. Should we add some bigger sparkles? Perfect. Okay. Now, even though they're two different colors, we now have two eyes that pop. We've got the blue side and we've got the brown side. I'm gonna pop this other baby in to show you the difference side by side. Be right back. Okay, here's both. Which one would you say pops? Now I will say I do like a monochromatic moment. I know even with blue eyes, you aren't supposed to pair blue eyes with blue eyeshadow either. But I think it just depends on what look you're going for. This is to really make your eyes themselves pop versus making the eyeshadow pop. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. So these are also another like form of brown, but they're more like hazel. But I think it'll still work with the blue eyeshadow. I don't remember how light or dark they are. These browns are pretty dark. These are the So-Sos. These are gonna be the hazels. Let me see. And again, the diameter for these new ones are gonna be 14.2. Okay, ValPals, these are the Neil Hazels. They're honestly really similar to the So-So Browns. They're just like, I think there's like a little pop of like this like greenish color. But again, it's on the brown scale, which I think looks really good with blues. Something I learned from my makeup class is that browns you can do just about like any color to make them pop. I just know their like actual complementary color is gonna be blue. But you can play with like purples, oranges, yellows, like just about anything. It's just if you go with a brown, it's gonna look more monochromatic. Okay, these ones are Ginger G Pink. G stands for glitter. These are 14.5 millimeters. The bigger, the better. Let's talk colors for this makeup. Currently, I still have the blue and I have the brown. So this pink honestly isn't like crazy noticeably pink. The last one that I got, I forget. You can go back to that video where I'm trying on JUST4KIRA lenses for the first time. But there was a pink color that I got and it was very, very, very pink. This one is less noticeable, but I'm still gonna use the color theory of pink to match the complementary color. Pink is gonna be somewhere between the violet and red range, and that's giving us a complementary color of greens. So what I'm gonna do actually is add just like a touch, like a highlight of green on this brown eye, since there's really only like a little pop of pink, and we're gonna see how that looks. I never opened up my spooky palette, my spooky Hello Kitty palette, but there's like a really pretty green in here. It's called Witchy. This is pink contact, green makeup, pink contact, blue makeup. Both in the same like spectrums, but I do feel like this pink pops a bit more with the green accents versus the blue. Please leave a like and tell me what your favorite looks are so far, what your favorite contacts are so far. And I've got a little code for you. It's code VALPAL, all caps. And that'll get you a little 20% off your order. And they always have like really good deals going on, like buy one, get one. I think we just passed their Black Friday deals, but they also had really good deals going on. Okay, I have 2 contact colors left. Let's see which one we go for. These are the Glitter G Violet. G is for glitter. 14.2 millimeters. These are my favorites. I love these. I love these with a passion. On my little color chart, its complementary is this like greenish yellow. This matches, this works. The contact is popping. Now I only have 1 contact left, and it's usually my favorites. So we're gonna see. My cats are fighting. These next ones are also new. These are the half years, soft lenses. And they're gonna be gem grays, but these are only gonna be 14 millimeters. So I'm gonna go put them on and we're gonna see what they look like. Okay, these are the gem grays. This is the last pair that I had. So let's talk color. Gray is kind of like, let's say the closest color to gray is gonna be brown. And just like brown, the only thing that you kind of want to like stray from is like a monochrome brown, but honestly that looks nice sometimes. It's just not gonna make your color pop. And so I'm gonna say for grays, you can really do any color. It's gonna make it pop. Obviously, if you go for like brighter colors, more attention is gonna be drawn to the eye. But let's look at this green eyeshadow. The color is still like different enough. My eyes are blue underneath, so my eyes are definitely giving off a slightly more blue hue. I actually want to complete this look on this eye. Glitters in here. How do I look, ValPals? Okay, if you watched this far, don't forget to drop a like. And thank you for watching. Thank you to my Vals and to my future pals. And I will see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Just for Kira for these cute contacts.